So I lost my GoPro for a few months. I found it finally, and I had to change out one of the lines and the fittings for the T56. There's a pin that you have to pop out to change that goldish fitting, and then you can insert the new fitting to put well, this is for the quick bleed, but this one, so you can put a Toyota line on. Anyway, so yeah, this is what I'm working with by myself. 3 floor jacks, a block of wood, jack stand in the way, downpipe in the way. I have to grease this input shaft before it goes in, and maybe give it a light brake cleaner, air compressor. I mean, blow with air compressor real quick. I'm exhausted. Okay, so I'm using this DeWalt stubby cutoff wheel. Almost there. I will have to either cut off or grind this top section as well. That one came out a lot nicer than this side. Okay, so I'm in the car, and the shifter, well, I'm having a hard time getting the input shaft to go in because I need to cut back about, I'd say, 2 to 3 inches so that I can get the shifter part in first, and then push the transmission in so the input shaft mates with the flywheel. Yeah.